Today's video is a special one to me. Since I was a kid, I loved to play video games with an arcade stick. One Christmas, Santa brought me an NES Advantage controller. It definitely enhanced my gaming experience. I picked up a Capcom Fighter Power Stick for my Super Nintendo. Unfortunately, this one's no longer in my collection, and I don't really have any special memories about it. As an adult, I picked up the Neo Geo Arcade Stick Pro, and most recently the 8-Bit Do Retro Arcade Stick. These have a premium feel and entice me to play old school arcade games again. But today, I decided to take a stab at making my own arcade stick from scratch. Not just any arcade stick, one inspired by the MVS cabinet. To pull this off, I purchased an EG Starts joystick kit, some Polymaker Starlight Neptune PLA filament, and Creality Black Pet G. Here's the model I designed. It's a 4-button layout along with a pair of side buttons, coin and start button. It's assembled using 4M3 screws, 4M4 screws, and 4M4 nuts. Here's a few pictures to show off the finished design. Let's put it to the test with some Neo Geo MVS games. The joystick feels nice in my hand, and I added rubber feet on the bottom so I don't have to worry about it sliding around my table. I enjoy the clicky sound of the joystick, and the buttons are bright and responsive, and most importantly, the colors of the buttons are in the correct order. All the moves I try to pull off work as expected, and I'm not experiencing any false diagonals. Even games like Metal Slug feel great. I have no issue shooting in any direction, and I don't feel any type of lag. This makes playing original MVS software more enjoyable, especially compared to using an ordinary controller. I haven't decided yet, but I may make a vinyl overlay, but I'm so satisfied with the Starlight Neptune filament color on its own that I might just leave this the way it is. One of the best parts of this project is the ability to print alternative controller decks to mimic other popular button layouts. I've designed one for Street Fighter II using a 6-button layout, as well as the Mortal Kombat button layout, specifically designed around Mortal Kombat 3 to have the run button. I'm really proud of my results with this project, and I hope it's able to help someone else. I'll leave links in the description if you want to make one yourself. If you're interested in me putting together a video on how I designed this, please let me know in the comments. I love sharing knowledge, so if there's a demand for it, I'll put one together. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have a great day.